Students show their understanding of tens and ones using dimes and pennies in this activity. They draw base 10 symbols, write a number sentence, and explain the tens and ones. This is card number 4. This has 3 dimes, that is 3 tens, and 4 pennies, which is 4 cents. 3 dimes, 3 10 longs, base 10 symbols for 10 long, or to represent tens, is this long stick, and it's called 10 long. And to represent ones or pennies, we use a dot, and this is units. 3 10 longs and 4 units is 3 tens is 30 cents plus 4 cents is 34 cents. So 30 cents and 4 pennies make 34 cents. Let's get another one. Card number 5. 1 2, these are 5 plus 2 7 10 longs and 3 units is 70 cents plus 3 cents is 73 cents, or 7 pennies, 7 dimes and 3 pennies make 73 cents. One last one. Card number 3. 4 dimes. 1 2 3 4 dimes and 5 pennies make 40 plus 5 is 45 cents. 4 dimes and 5 pennies make 45 cents. Directions help students work on this activity independently. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers provide immediate feedback.